Today, I want to analyze the Perusall scoring from your last assigned reading, Borg Part 2 Perusall, to maybe help with some of you who are confused about the scoring. So let's look at an example of an annotation that received a score of a 0. So the question that was asked, I'm confused, is he, Borg, saying that the Gospels aren't historically true? So more explanation about confusion is needed. So are you confused because you've learned something contrary to this in a previous theology class? Or can you confused because of your personal experience? Do you have an argument to counter that the gospel is historically true? So just more explanation, context, argument is needed. Then here's an example of an annotation with a score of a 1. This is Borg's personal example of questioning unacceptance. He came across views that contrasted with those of his childhood, and he was forced to transfer his perception of Jesus. Great. This particular comment identifies correctly Peck's concept of questioning unacceptance. But it would be great to give a specific example of a view that contrasted with his own, or how he changed it, or this person could relate this to his own experience or make a counter argument. And then finally, this is an example of an annotation that earns a score of a 2. I think what Borg is describing in the following pages can be considered analogous to many of the experiences we have had in rejecting certain childhood notions of religion. While his experience is more radical shift in mind, the broad ideas of replacing immature ideals with more mature ones hold constant. So he's obviously correctly identifying questioning unacceptance from Peck. He's also comparing it to his own experience, and then he's making a generalization about how this process takes place. That would earn a score out of 2 out of 2. And so those are the kinds of annotations that I'm looking for. There's many ways to earn a 2, but this is just one example. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.